big pan.
Welcome back to the vlog. This is Emily with ENC Greenhouse. Today we're making a quick video about bread and why we make bread. Gabe will tell you in a little while, but we've never made bread before and this is going to be new and exciting and interesting, mostly interesting. Are you excited about your bread?
I want to eat it.
First we have to make it.
Everything. Look. Can we make every kind of different breads, like sprinkle bread?
Sprinkle bread?
Yeah, can we make sprinkle bread?
You'll have to ask your grandma how to make sprinkle bread.
Just put sprinkles in it and mix it up. What?
Squeeze the bread. Squeeze it.
Ooh, look!
Yeah, you
Wow.
I'm stealing some of this flour.
What?
Squeeze your bread, Caleb. Look.
I can do that. Do this. Keep doing this.
There you go. Do what Grandma does when she makes the bread.
Ew! That was in that.
Oh, you made a big mess.
Me too. Ew, Dicky. Getting to the sticky part. What? Getting to the sticky part.
Put more flour on it. You need some more flour?
I need more flour. A hot dog.
A hot dog.
Yeah. This is how bread looks like. This is how bread looks like with sprinkles on top of it.
All right, make it into a ball.
What?
Make it into a ball.
It's hard. I can pass it up and down.
Make it into a ball so we can put it in our bowls.
Yep, in our bowl.
All right, Caleb, this is your bowl. Gabriel, you put yours in your bowl.
Okay. After I'm done playing with it.
We gotta let it rise too, okay? It's gotta stay in the bowl. You guys see how they've grown?
Yeah.
Which one's the biggest?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Is that Mommy's?
I want you to cook it into.
Yep.
I want to play with it.
Okay, here's yours.
I like it.
Here's yours. Hold
This is
on.
mine.
Yes, these are yours.
Okay, now I want to put ours in the pants.
Right.
After we do
Remember,
it.
we have to knead it again, okay? Do you need more flour?
Yes, we need a lot of flour.
Okay, hold on.
God bless you.
Aww.
God bless you.
Hold on, let me get you some flour.
God bless you. I'm gonna pick it up. So
You're supposed to have flour so your hands don't get sticky. Remember?
It's not sticky.
It's not sticky this time?
No.
Well, here, let me get you some more flour. Here, put it down.
The dough looks like snow.
Put it down. Now turn it over. Now turn it back over. Here, Caitlin. Okay. Now knead it again like you did earlier, okay?
Okay. Knead it. I love it. Knead
Squish your dough.
Make it in the house. We like to make it in the house. At Grandma's house, we made one in the house.
You did.
If it was big enough.
Mm. I don't know what kind of pan I'm going to put mine in.
A big pan.
Okay, so what you're going to do, listen, squish it really flat, okay? Don't poke your fingers in it, just squish it really flat, okay?
So you're getting dough off mine.
It's okay. Just squish it, squish it, squish it.
Squish it, squish it,
What
squish it. Squish it like a plate.
Squish it this way, okay? Now what you're gonna do, Gabe, it says lay it flat and then
Squish it,
roll it
squish
up.
it.
Listen, boys, can you look at me? Do this, okay? Let me help you. You got it? All right, now you're gonna take the ends of it. Hold on. You're gonna take the ends of it and you're gonna do this, okay? And you're gonna roll it this way, okay? And then you're gonna put, see this on the bottom? Look, see this? You're gonna put this down in your hand, okay? And we're gonna let it rise again, okay?
Oh, I don't want to.
But you have to. You have to let it rise again. That way when you bake it, it's good.
Let's just leave our things here.
I'm gonna put mine in here and
I'm making
then,
mine into a ball.
okay. But you have to roll it up like the directions say. Remember, because we follow directions.
Mama, mine not
So
going.
then you have to squish it up like this. Yep. And you see on the bottom how there's that? You want to put that in the bottom of your pan. Put that in the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to let it rise again for 30 minutes. Okay?
So that is.
Ooh, you got a cute little
I got it.
loaf of bread.
I learned about Jesus fed all the people with 5 pieces of bread and 2 fishies.
So 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish? And how many people did he feed?
5,000.
5,000 people. That's really cool, Gabe.
It's not.
Fun. It's hot.
It's hot inside, not outside. I hope how it tastes. It smells really good. It
Good.
tastes.
It smells good,
It
huh?
smells like grandma's cooking bread.
Does it? Her sourdough bread?
Yeah, her hard bread. It feels like it.
Probably hot.
I can't taste it.
Here, give that to Haley real quick. Oh, it is toasty. Probably could have stayed in for about a minute longer to really get the outside of it.
Mmm, it tastes really good.
It does taste good?
We
should make it more often.
You like it?
It tastes better with this on it. Way better.
I love it. That's good.
I'm gonna share Matthew 5:16.
Let your
Light shine before men, they may see your good works. Glorify your Father who is in heaven.
good job.
Mom, I'm gonna eat open. Gonna put this on your eyeballs.
What do we tell everybody? Look, wait until you're done eating. Okay, until next time, we say, stay tuned for more farm fun. Until next time,
God bless you and I'll see you next time.
thank you so much for watching.
And Jesus loves you. Is it on video? Was it on video? Why do you do that then?
Sometimes homeschooling's fun, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You get to make
Because you
cool
have
stuff.
cool art projects.
Cool science projects.
Yeah, what you learn about what your project's about.
You like being homeschooled?